Hi there, this is Adam Jones from the Wolf Rock Boat Company. Welcome to another YouTube video on the channel. We're down in Salcombe doing some videos on a Navigator 20, and we've got this brokered 767 from Iron with a Suzuki 250 on the back. If you are looking for a boat for this season to have some fun with your family, this is a great value package, and it really packs a punch. I love the Iron boat range, and this 767 with a 250 really is an awful lot of boat for you to have some serious fun with the family. So I just wanted to give you a very quick walkthrough of this boat. If you're interested in a second-hand boat, then give the guys at the Wolf Rock Boat Company a call. Obviously, we've got this 767 in white with a 250, but there are loads of boats on the website. So go and check those out. Give Matt, Brad, and Jason a call, and they'll be able to talk you through the stock that is available for the rest of the season. With this amazing weather that we've been having, looks like August is going to be the same, and we're just hoping we're going to have a brilliant September and maybe even into October. So if you're thinking about it, get in contact and get yourself a boat for the rest of the season. Now, this Iron 767, as I've said, is powered by that Suzuki 250 on the back. This is pushing this boat along to 46, 47 knots quite comfortably. As you come onto the back of an Iron boat, you've got these lovely big flat swim steps. There's a swim ladder over there. You've got some storage underneath here for fenders and lines, which is a really nice touch. So you can keep the rest of the boat nice and clean when you're out on the water. You've got some walk through either side of this bench seat at the back, and obviously a tow post if you decide to pull somebody along behind the boat. Now, one of the things I love about an Iron boat is the amount of storage and beam space that you get, especially if you're used to hanging out on a rib. You've got a real rib feel on this boat. It's obviously got a lot of powerboat pedigree with that Ocke Mannerfelt hull. It really is very exciting to drive, but obviously you've got a little bit more beam if you're used to ribs, and you're going to get loads and loads of storage. So underneath this bench seat, I think Sam should be able to show us on the camera, but there is a huge amount of storage underneath there. Plenty of space for all sorts of things, again, to keep your deck space nice and clean when you're out with the family. This seat obviously sits facing forward, and then you've got a seat facing aft on the back of the helm position. Two pedestals here for a table at the back of the boat. Lovely protected area for sitting down and relaxing when you're on the water. Table is covered by the T-top, so it's just a really nice protected place to be. This T-top is really well fitted. Lovely aluminium kind of squared off handle rails as well. Places to hold when you're really going underway, and a grab handle behind the helm position as well. Now, as you move forward into the helm position, you've got a bolster seat option, as you would expect. So obviously these are up and down depending on whether you want to helm the boat standing or sitting. And then this brilliant Iron central console configuration. So you've got a lovely big setback screen on the front there, which provides loads of protection, but also a load of space up there for storing bits and bobs. We've got a Garmin chart plotter, Suzuki MFD, Garmin VHF, and your Fusion sound system with the speakers set underneath that console, and all your buttons and dials down the left hand side for things like running lights, anchor light, horn, bilge pump, and such like. As you move forward, we've got some cleats on the midships and a lovely seat in front of this console. This is a really comfortable place to sit, with a big seat in the bow area as well. And this entire space, the entire front of this boat, can be filled into a sun pad, which is more than big enough for 4 people to sit on the front, with a big bow locker there for your anchor, chain, lines, all in the front of the boat. 2 cleats on the nose, some lovely grab handles here, and again, this is a really nice place to sit, especially when you're underway. The way that this boat rides, this is a super dry, fast, slippy boat. You're going to have a great time on the water. You're going to really enjoy the rest of your summer with your family, and like I said, it is really good value, this boat. So if you're interested in a boat of this nature, get in contact with the team at the Wolf Rock and come and check out this Iron 767.